Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to e-commerce know-how. Here is Facebook ads versus Google ads. Which paid advertising should you use for online marketing? Google AdWords paid search. Google AdWords is the world's largest and most popular PPC advertising platform. AdWords is so widely used it has become synonymous with the term paid search. The two terms are used interchangeably, even though other platforms such as Bing ads work in a similar way. Paid search focuses on the targeting of keywords and the use of text-based advertisements. Advertisers using AdWords bid on keywords, specific words and phrases included in search queries entered by Google users in the hopes that their ads will be displayed alongside search results for these queries. Each time a user clicks on the ad, the advertiser is charged a certain amount of money, hence the name pay-per-click advertising. PPC bidding and bid optimization is a complex topic and beyond the scope of this guide, but essentially users are paying for the potential to find new customers based on the keywords and search terms they enter into Google.
Happens in milliseconds, and the searcher won't see the details, only the winners.
Facebook ads paid social. Facebook ads is a prime example of what is known as paid social, or the practice of advertising on social networks. With the highest number of monthly active users, or MAUs, any social network in the world, Facebook has become a highly competitive and potentially lucrative element of many businesses' digital advertising strategies. Although advertising on Facebook can be thought of as similar to AdWords, in that advertisers using both platforms are essentially promoting their business via the internet, this is where these similarities end. Unlike paid search, which helps businesses find customers via keywords, paid social helps users find businesses based on the things they're interested in and the ways in which they believe online.
Finally, measure performance and gather advanced analytics that can increase
The strengths and advantages of Google AdWords. As the world's most popular and widely used search engine, Google is considered the de facto leader in online advertising. Fielding more than 3.5 billion search queries every single day, Google offers advertisers access to an unprecedented and unequal potential of audience users who are actively looking for goods and services. Google's advertising offers are split across two primary networks, the search network and the display network. The search network encompasses the entirety of Google as a search engine, and the advertisers can bid on millions of keywords and phrases to target prospective customers.
For 50 years, marketing executives based their decisions on intuition.
An immense audience. One of the main advantages of using Google as an advertising platform is its immense reach. Google handles more than 40,000 search queries every second, a total of more than 1.2 trillion web searches every single year. As Google becomes increasingly sophisticated in part of its growing reliance on its proprietary artificial intelligence and machine learning technology, RankBrain, this amazing search volume is likely to increase, along with the potential for advertisers to reach new customers. Put simply, no other search engine can offer the potential audience that Google can. This vast potential source of prospective customers alone makes Google an excellent addition to your digital marketing strategy. But when combined with Google's increasingly accurate search results, it's easy to see why AdWords is the most popular and widely used PPC platform in the world.
Or even ask the audience questions.
A level playing field. One of the biggest misconceptions among those new to PPC is that whoever has the largest advertising budget somehow automatically wins at Google Ads. Fortunately, nothing could be farther from the truth, as AdWords focuses primarily on the quality and relevance of ads, not how much advertisers spend. The more relevant an ad is to the user, the better the experience a user is likely to have, and therefore the more likely they are to continue using Google as their go-to search engine. For this reason, Google AdWords rewards relevance and quality above all other factors. This is why smart advertisers with relevant, optimized, high-quality ads rarely have to bid as highly as advertisers with poorer ads.
Online inquiries. It identifies where the buyer is from and routes the order to the
A wide range of ad formats. When AdWords first launched in 2000, the text-based ads that Google served alongside its search results were rudimentary, to say the least, but they did contain many of the same elements that can be seen in today's ads. Although PPC ads and AdWords remain text-based, advertisers can take advantage of an incredible number of features to make their ads more compelling and enticing to prospective customers.
Is an example of a standard width video ad. For the most part, your pin will stay exactly.
The strengths and advantages of Facebook ads. Compared to Google AdWords, Facebook ads is the scrappy newcomer, but in fact, Facebook has been refining and improving its advertising solution for several years. Today, Facebook ads is a pioneer in the sphere of paid social and has become a central part of many businesses' digital marketing strategies.
Facebook allows users to instantly share their message and thoughts with hundreds.
Unparalleled audience granularity. Similarly to Google AdWords, Facebook boasts a truly vast global audience with more than 1.55 billion monthly active users, more than 1/5 of the entire world's population, and that's not counting inactive or infrequently used accounts. Facebook has no rival when it comes to the enormity of its audience. However, rather than exposing advertisers and their messaging to this vast audience, the true strength of Facebook's immense audience lies in the potential granularity which advertisers can target Facebook users.
That represents your business. Think of it like your storefront. It's where your customers hang out.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. With that, I'll see you in the next video.